Hey guys, what's up? This is Sandeep, and today I'll teach you how frame set tags are used in HTML. Actually, first I'll show you iFrame tag. So you may not know what is iFrame tag. iFrame tag is just a normal random tag to use the border, width, height, and all those things. And the basic syntax of HTML, you know it already, right? Like HTML body and closing those two tags, and in between body we'll use iframe tag. Iframe tag will be like uh, starting iframe tag, and this is the closing. In iframe tag we should give the source. It is the source of some HTML file to which the border, width, height, and all this should be applied. So I gave here the source file as 1.html, and the border I gave is 20, width is 500, height is also 500. Now you can see this code, and I'll execute this code. Let's see how it works in the web page. Yeah, let's see the iframe. This is my iframe. This is my browser, Google Chrome, and you can see the iframe tag here. Like this is my content, which is there in 1.html file, and it has a border of 20, and then width and height of 500 and 500. Now you can see this is a height of 500, this is the width of 500, the horizontal thing is the height of 500. And then moving on to frame set tags. Actually you should know what is frame set tag. Frame set tag is simply a um, is simply used to divide the browser into some different parts, so that we can use the restricted parts to each row and each column. So frame set tag contains attributes like columns and rows, and inside frame set tag we'll be using frame tag. Okay, this is actually used to set the page in the browser, and which divides the browser into parts. And then src is the source, and we can give the source name, that is maybe 1.html, or the file name.html. And if it it doesn't support any body section. Okay, note this point, like frame set doesn't support any body section. Okay, we should do all these things in head section. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is the basic syntax of frame set. Here I have given HTML head, frame set, columns, CLS, that is columns. I made columns into 50% and 50%, and frame set rows. In the column, that is first column, we have 10% content from one file and the 90% content from the other file. Okay, that means the total content will be showed in the first 10% of the row, and the second HTML files total content will be showed in the next half, that is next 90% of the row. Let's check out this one, how it works. I'll go to my desktop. I'll open frame set now. Yeah, here you can see my system is slow. Okay, here you can see the HTML web page. This web page is actually divided into two, and in this two part it is divided into 50% because I gave you 50%, and then I gave your columns as 10% and 90%. You can see this is the 10%. This has the total content, and it is scrollable because the content is more than the percentage which I gave as a row. And then this is the other 90% of the same row, and hence it worked in the same way. So this is also all about frame set tag, and you can pause anywhere in this video and you can just note down the code, or else I'll put it down in the description. You can download it from my blog. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.